Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. So in today's video, you're going to experience an amazing, tasty, finger-licking, delicious, yet unique fish curry recipe. I'm going to tell you why this is unique in the end, so watch the video till the end. But trust me, next time when you bring fish to home, you will prepare in this manner only. So let us see how to prepare. Take a pan and add 5 to 7 tablespoons of oil and add 7 to 10 chopped green chilies into it. You need to chop it and then only add it. If you don't chop it and add a whole green chili, that may splutter once the oil is heated, and there are chances you may get burned. So after 30 seconds of frying the green chilies, add 4 medium sized onions and chop nicely, and then add it into the pan. Here our onions should turn nice golden brown color, otherwise the rawness in the onions gives sweet taste to the curry. So in order to avoid that, you need to allow the onions to turn golden brown color. In the time the onions are frying, take 4 medium sized tomatoes and chop them and put it aside. Now once our onions have turned nice golden brown color, then add our tomatoes into the pan. Our tomatoes should be soft and they should become juicy. In the time the tomatoes are cooking, take 7 brinjals. This is the unique thing because fish curry is normally prepared but you don't add any vegetables in it. But trust me, if you add brinjal, this takes to another level. Cut them and put it aside. Meanwhile, add 2.5 tablespoons of chili powder and half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, and then stir it once and add salt to taste. Here I have added crystal salt. This is good for thyroid patients. So again I have added 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and then I have allowed to fry for 30 seconds on medium flame. Once the oil has left the pan edges, then it's time to add 1.5 glass of water. I have taken a large glass, so big glass. So you take a big glass, 1.5 glass of water, and give it a nice boil. Once you get a nice boil as shown here, then time to add our brinjals. You need to slit the brinjals like this, then you can enjoy them later after preparing it. So see, our brinjals are nicely cooked. Now after 1 minute of cooking on medium flame the brinjals, then I have added a little bit of tamarind. I add like this only. I don't add any water soaking and nothing. I add like this, and then I check for the taste, and then I remove it according to the taste I get it. So after your brinjals are boiled, now time to add half a glass of water because the fish should dip into the water. That's it. So here I have taken 2 types of fish, that is, one is rohu or capro and the other one is murrel fish. It's also called as coramino. This variety is especially a unique one for Andhra style because especially in Bhimavaram in Andhra, they prepare different type of fish what they catch from the river, and they prepare a gravy like this. This is amazing. Now after you add fish, you need to cook for 5 minutes on medium flame, and that's it. Your brinjal fish curry is all ready. Trust me, by adding more variety of fish, that adds more flavor to the fish. This is the secret recipe of the Bhimavaram people in Andhra Pradesh. They catch the fish directly from the river. Whatever variety of fish they get, 2 to 3 varieties of fish they get, they put it in the gravy, they put it in the onion and tomato, and they cook it with nice tamarind and like brinjal like this. They have an amazing taste. Whoever are watching from Bhimavaram, please comment in the section whether you have experienced this fish curry or not. So I think you like this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.